Dear students, in today's lecture, we will be discussing about what are the various parties involved in industrial relation, or what are the various actors in industrial relation. As the picture mentioned here, the we have basically four actors or participant in industrial relation. One is the employee, another one is the employer, then there is government and the trade union. And these three four points are discussed here in this lecture. So the worker and their union is one of the party involved. So worker and their union are basically whatever the worker, whatever the psychological factor, social factor, cultural skill, attitude towards. So worker organization uh, basically help or the trade union help the worker unions in maintaining the healthy environment over there. So this is one of the player, means like how the worker, how, or you can say the employees have, or what type of relationship they build in the with the union management. Then the second next one is the purpose of trade union is to basically what we do here is you can say to protect the workers economic interest through collective bargaining. So the organized trade union help the trade employees for attaining collective bargaining, and yeah, which also include the leadership, financial activities, etc. Another key player in the industrial relation are managers and their associations. Like managers, like the organization. Here we talk about the employer. So the prominent role is of work group. The difference in their size, constitutions, and the degree of specialization they press on. So of course there is the necessary provision for mutual communication for the structure of status and authority for such other organization as well as the trade union. Basically, here in the manager and their association, what we do here is we have a employer or employees along with the employees organization. Then the next and the last key player is the government. See, basically government, what role government plays here is uh, the government help the industry to implement those labor laws. They prepare those labor laws and abet the industries to follow those rules regulations. So they help in develop the industrial relation policies, labor laws, labor policies like conciliation, and even it help this government help in the grievance reduction mechanism. So we have conciliation and adjudications by playing the role of mediator. So these are the basic three actors which help along with the trade union, which are involved in the maintaining of industrial relation. Now, the next topic which we will discuss today in the class is what are the various challenges faced by industrial relation. See, the very much challenge which was faced by industrial relation are the achieving competitiveness. Means like due to the increasing globalization of economy, then there is more pressure is there for getting the competitiveness. And so this is also one of the like how the management get their work done by the employees in an effective manner and get the competitive advantage is one of the challenger. Another one is employer flexibility. In employer flexibility, basically like the employer face difficulty in and in especially in the developing countries where the companies have to achieve maximum potential in the modern market. And here, basically, what we do here is in the employer flexibilities, they due to the management and work organization, the employer has to work in a flexible manner. They have to have respect the authority and the greater amount of openness and respect among the employer, how they deal with their workers. So another difficulty or challenge in front of industrial relation is the how the changing role of government and union. Now, due to globalization, due to liberalization and privatization, now more and more involvement is of it increase foreign involvement in the economies, and that will benefit the nation as well. But here, the labor union also face more difficulties in collaborating and with the employees as well as employer. Then the next challenge are the ethical theories, like how the important area of industrial relations need to be taken care of along with the competitive edge. Then technology also changes day by day, because the privacy and the replacement of job mechanisms. So these are the basic things which need to be taken care of while handling the challenges in front of industrial relation. Next, these are the basic challenges which are faced by during in maintenance of industrial relation within the organization and the country.